This is an unboxing of a Lenovo T490. First is just the power adapter, just a 65 watt power adapter. And it's the USB Type-C one. Couple papers. It's the laptop here. Take a look. Open it up. Bottom. Then we'll just go for the ports here. This is the USB Type-C, and then this is another USB Type-C, but also the whole thing works as the dock connector. This one has the Thunderbolt capability, just a USB 3.0 full-size HDMI combo audio, and a micro SD card slot. It's front there. On this side, just the optional smart card if you had it. The another USB 3.0. This one you can charge your devices through when it's plugged in. This is the full-size Ethernet and a Kensington slot here. And on the back would probably be the SIM card option, but I don't think this one has one. And that's just the bottom there. And then pretty close to the previous generation, the biometric fingerprint reader, and then dual mics, and this one's got the little privacy, dual mics, and then this one's got the little privacy switch for the webcam. And that's it.